Welcome back. We're looking at spreadsheets, and I want to look today at conditional formatting again using LibreOffice, free open source software. And I did see this week, by the way, that the University of Namibia, because their online teaching platform, which is called Moodle, is also free and open source, they export their data in something called an ODS format. And when you save your work in LibreOffice, it saves it as an ODF spreadsheet, open document format. It basically means anybody can look at it, and it also means that the source code for these programs is also open source. Of course, LibreOffice can save as Excel. It can save the old versions of Excel. It can save other formats as well, and it can read them. But I like to use free and open source software. Save myself $900 a year. All right, let's have a look at conditional formatting. Here's a list of numbers: 30 minus 10, 120, 50, etc., etc., etc. Let's mark that column and we'll say format, and then we'll go to the conditional formatting. There's the condition there. And I'm going to say if one of these cells is less than 0, I want it to look like bad. It could look like that. It can look like an error, like that. It can look like a status, whatever that means. But let's say the error. That's a nice red, bold red design. I'm saying, yes, let's apply that. So now every number that is in the minus is going to be in red. If I change that to minus 60, it'll change to red. So it'll flag me that's maybe a problem if that's what I'm working with. Now I can also add something else. I can say again, format, conditional format. I can add condition number 2, and I can say if it is greater than 50, then I want you to make it, it could be gray, it could be footnote, whatever, but I want it to say good, which is green, and I'm going to apply that. So now you see that the numbers that are performing well are in green. If that was only 6, it wouldn't be in green, and if that was just 5, it wouldn't be in green. But because it's 51 and because it's 60, because it's above 50, then it's going to be in green. And this would apply to all the numbers in this column, and you could also apply that conditional formatting to the whole spreadsheet as well.